Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing another cooking video, and we're going to be doing a cooking video on how to make grilled cheese. So the ingredients you're going to need are bread and cheese. So I prefer this bread. You could use any bread you would like, whole grain bread, white bread, whatever you like. And here there's plant-based mozzarella cheese. I like this one, so that's why I'm going to use this one. For my brother over here, I have mozzarella cheese. Yeah, you can use plant-based cheese or mozzarella cheese if you would like. So yes, so what you're going to do is you're going to want to take like 2 to 3 spoons of cheese, and then you're going to want to put it on the bread. Yeah, alright. Yeah. Alright, and once you've done that, then you can cover this, and then you can cover this as well if you want to make 2. So then you're going to want to put it in a grill. Make sure to preheat it before you start, and then you're just going to want to put these in, and make sure you put them in for like around 5 minutes or so, yeah. And then, yeah, I guess we'll meet after 5 minutes once these are grilled. Right, now that it's been 5 minutes, the grilled cheese sandwiches are ready. So you can just take them out now and put them on the plate. Now the next step over here that we're going to do is that we are going to cut them in the line diagonally. Don't do this by yourself. Please use an adult as this, because this might be really dangerous and you might get your hands cut. Yes. And make sure to cut open. And oops, mistake there. Yeah, anyways. So yes, now that we have the grocery sandwiches open, that's it now. So yeah, these are the sandwiches, and yeah, so you can try making your own grilled cheese sandwich as well. And now that you've made it, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again, once again, with one of my videos. Bye!